I go, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth.
Hey guys, just welcome into another hair tutorial. So today I'm working with this unit from Recool hair. The hair is 22 inches 4/27 honey blonde 30 by 4 lace front wig, highlight body wave colored wig. Came with so many goodies, came with bonnet, wig cap, lashes, and so on and so forth.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark?
So this is where you can get them. They're on Facebook, they're on Instagram, they're on YouTube as well. So the hair is 13 by 4 lace wig, highlighted body wave wig. It's a Brazilian hair, high quality 100% human hair, lace front wig.
I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew.
The hairline is plucked.
Just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you.
It's full front lace wig, came with some combs and adjustable strap as well. That is the inside of the wig, and see the color is body wave. This looks so gorgeous.
Seems so good. I guess I can't.
I love the color of this wig because if you know me, I'm so lazy when it comes to bleaching of hair. So when I see hair like this, I'm always happy.
The stars. Would you run me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's brave.
If hairline is already blocked, we save you from going through that stress of cutting of tweezing guys, I'm losing my voice, from tweezing the hair. So I apply hair mousse to the hair just to take my hair backward. Guys, I don't even know what to say. This is so funny. I'm losing my words. I don't know why. So I took my hair backward in order for me to cut the excess lace from the wig.
I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the.
So but just in case if you're interested in this, getting this hair, I'm going to leave a link to it on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. All the information about this hair and their website will be on the description box. Are we going to arrive today? Guys, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm missing my words. I don't know. So a lot that came from it, but don't worry, it's normal anyway because I need to cut it so that my ear can show. So it's a must for me to cut that out. And you can see the thickness of the hair. The hair is so thick and is lightweight. The hair looks thick but is lightweight. I don't know if that makes sense. The hair is so thick. It looks thick but it's lightweight. Okay, so gorgeous, that is it. I'm trying to like position the hair, then to cut out the excess lace from it. I do this in all my videos. You guys are used to it by now.
Perception, feel like I wanna do something wrong.
So I use this hair box legs on the lace. This is to mimic my skin color, my skin tone. Okay, yeah, I don't do this all the time, but I just felt like doing this today because I want the lace to really match my skin.
Start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile.
So at the end, that is how it looks like. So I'm installing my wig with gel. You guys know I always install my wigs with styling gel. I have said it time without number, million times. Even in all my videos I say this. I'm saying it in case if it is your first time here, that is why I need to repeat it all the time. Why I do this? Because normally when I wear my wigs, after filming the video, I remove the wig immediately. But if you still want to use this styling gel, it can hold for 24 hours. Yes, if you're the type that doesn't wear wigs for long, for days, if it's just for 24 hours, you can use this styling gel and it will hold your wig firmly, I promise you. And if you know you want to carry your hair for like a week or 2 weeks, I will advise you to use hair, how do they call it, a glue. I will advise you to use glue, not styling gel, like hair got to be glue, got to be glue got to be glue got to be glue. But if you like me, you can just use styling gel and your hair will look perfecto. All right, guys. So I just applied that styling gel all over the lace. Am I really serious today? So that is it. So one thing I did, the same time gluing my hair down, installing my hair, I did my, how do they call it, the baby hairs the same time, so that I don't do it double times, because sometimes I will lay the wig before slaying my baby hairs, but I did the two at the same time. So I applied a cream on the hair. This is just to give the hair a little shine. This is optional. If you like, you can do this. And after that, what next? I comb the hair. You can see the hair. Look at how gorgeous the waves are. So beautiful. I just brush the hair. See how the hair is bouncing. You can see that the quality of this hair is just extra. There was nothing like smell to this hair. In short, the hair smells so nice. I don't know if it is perfume. The hair smells so nice. That is what I'll tell you. It smells so nice. And there was no shedding, and there was no tangle. It did not tangle. Okay, you can see it as I'm brushing it. The thing is just going smoothly. So I coiled it. If you don't want coils, oh God, am I going to arrive today? If you don't want coils, you can as well straighten this hair. If that's what you want, you can coil it, okay, as well. That's what I did. I coiled the hair. And that is it. That is all I did about this hair. Please, gorgeous, if you like it here, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit on that bell icon. And if you like this hair tutorial, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? Yes, you see the girl is looking gorgeous, stunning and beautiful. So I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box. If you're interested, don't hesitate to check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, stay gorgeous. I love you guys as always. Bye.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together for you fall.